Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making the paste and prepping the first strips. Mix the powder with the specified water ratio and stir until smooth, then let it hydrate for the recommended rest time. While the paste sits, measure the wall height and cut strips, allowing an extra 5 cm for trimming. Clear the area and protect floors with a drop cloth, then transfer paste to a tray so you can work without splashing. Once done, you're ready to apply paste to the paper. You now paste and hang the first strip, and here's how. If the paper is unpasted, coat the back edge to edge and fold gently for the booking time. If pre-pasted, activate per instructions. Make a plumb line and align the leading edge precisely. This sets every strip. Place the top, leave a 5 cm sealing overlap, then smooth down with a brush from center outward and run a seam roller along edges. Make sure to wipe excess paste immediately so it won't dry into the pattern. Finish by trimming and checking seams. Use a metal straight edge and a fresh blade to trim the excess at ceiling and baseboard, and clean seams with a damp sponge so paste doesn't dry on the surface. Match patterns on subsequent strips and butt seams edge to edge, using the seam roller gently. Too much pressure can stretch the paper. If you spot bubbles, lift the affected edge, reapply paste, or smooth outward with a brush. If stubborn, inject a little paste and press out air to fix it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.